The Senna Fire Pigment Palette's provocative, exotic hues bring out your wild side. The rich metallic and vibrant duochrome colors say, I have arrived. After I cleanse Lauren's skin with Senna's Cream Cleanser, I prep the eye area with our Sculpting Eye Cream, and I prep the complexion with the Sea Algae Cream. For under the makeup, I use Silky Primer and then Slipcover Cream to Powder Foundation. This look is super dynamic. I'm using Obsidian and Venom, and I'm going to create a real graphic eye. I'm taking the 605 brush and I'm going to sculpt out the shape of the eye. I'm going to trace along the eye socket. This gives such depth. Now, after I have the shape, I'm going to soften and blend the hard line, but I still want to keep it very strong. Then I'm going to take it again with the 605 brush, look up at the ceiling, and I'm going to trace under the lash line. Connect to the triangle on the outer edge. Again, give it a little blend here. This makes the eye look really big. Now I'm taking the Obsidian with the mini feather brush, just taking the edge and softening it. Then I'm going to use the crease brush 27 and blend more. I'm also going to take Obsidian with the mini feather and bring it in just a little bit at the outer corner. I'm going to blend it in. Make it a little more translucent. Then I'm going to take Venom. This is a duochrome. And I'm going to take it with the 32 shadow brush and dab it on the eyelid. Taking my mini feather and blending the Obsidian more. Then taking the Venom, getting right to that base of the lash. All right, so I'm going to line her eyes now using a 605 angle brush, and I'm wetting the brush, and I am going to wet the Obsidian and make it into a deep wet liner right across the lid. Oh, that's pretty. So now I'm going to highlight under the brow bone, and I'm going to use Scorched, which is a duochrome with peach and gold. Oh, it's so pretty. And then I'm going to take it and just go along the cheekbone. Next, I'm going to take Flame with the powder point brush and intensify the cheek slightly. This is a beautiful cheek color. So to finish off the look, I'm going to apply Faux Mink lashes. I'm very excited about my lip lacquer. This is called Flash. And there you have it, a wild look with the Fire Pigment Palette.